Folks, today's the day I'm going to do something that I have been procrastinating about for a while. I needed to do this last year, and honestly, probably the year before, but I have to. What is that? See this strawberry bed? It is totally overcrowded. They are drowning themselves out in here by the thickness. The berries that are growing are just tiny because there's just not enough space. So what I have done, I have a sharp pointed digger. I'm finding a good clump of them. I'm going right down underneath and just raising up and breaking the roots loose. Okay. And you see there's several different groups in there. You got a mother plant, and then you got smaller plants, which are daughter plants. So, I have made potato towers this year. Now, I'm going to make a strawberry tower. So, I'm going to start with the amount that I have out here already because I don't know exactly how many that's going to take to fill up my little hamper. But we're going to see. But if I don't get something done, I'm going to lose the entire batch over time because it's just not producing. I mean, something the size of my thumb is not worth fooling with. I want berries like this, not like that. So, let's go get started. Okay, I have my little plastic silicone whatever flimsy hamper that has the holes in it. Okay, I have straw that I'm going to put in the bottom of this, and also stand up, Jack. So you're going to have straw all over you there, buddy.
Trying to make a grand entrance.
Oh, well, you made a grand entrance. You got straw all in your head. Okay. I put this up almost halfway. Okay, Jack, dump the rest of this dirt that's in this bag in here.
In the hole right?
Yeah, in the hole that's in the center while I open the other bag. Okay, try to keep it in the center if you can, okay?
The majority of it in.
Okay, did you empty the whole bag?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to throw that down, but I'll pick it up in a little bit after I catch this. Guys, this is real life here. Just saying. It rained last night, and it must have blown in because this is a lot heavier than yesterday. So, we're not going to be able to dump it. I'm going to have to scoop it. Which is fine. I'm really glad that it's wetter because that gives us something to work with as far as the moisture. Okay, you can do something in just a second, buddy. Once you pick up strawberry,
Which one?
it doesn't matter. They're all going in here. Just pick up one. Okay. Pop that up. Okay. What you're going to do is you're going to come in here and you're going to go down and you're going to move some of this hay or straw. I keep saying hay, but it's straw. And poke it through here. But folks, they will be a little droopy right now. But that's okay. They will, at least the majority of them will firm back up. Okay, here's two. Okay, let's separate them. Okay. Now you've got roots on that one. So, go to this end hole right here and poke the greens through down there, okay? Yeah, move the straw back. No, not that way. Make a hole in it. Is that the right one?
Yeah.
Or does it need to go down one?
No, I think.
Okay, pull it out then. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. We're leaving the roots in here. So they're going to be planted on the inside.
Will these make our strawberries bigger?
They should.
I bought some 5-foot strawberries, Mom.
5 foot strawberries. Holy
Yeah.
cow.
I'll be eating those. I'll be eating 5 of those a day.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Want me to pluck this dead leaf off from the plant, Mom?
No, that's fine. Just leave it on there.
Okay.
Okay. So let's come on out here. And you go on that side. Okay. Actually, it may be easier, Jackson, if you just make a hole right here with your finger and stick the roots in here. Okay? Get that one to stick the root in here. All the way back to the green. Make sure you get all the root in there. Okay, that's good. So get another one.
It already perked up.
Well, it's not perked up yet, but it will. Okay, let me get 2 and put on this side. Okay, guys, you can kind of get the gist of what we're doing. We'll get another layer or 2 on here and show you what it looks like, dirty hands and all. All right, we've just about finished our layers here, guys. We're trying to beat the rain. So hopefully we can, as I'm feeling drops on my head. And folks, this will settle. Jackson, you can get out of the rain if you want to, buddy. Hopefully I can dump this now. Got rid of some of the weight. Yeah. And folks, I've used about 1.5 cubic feet because there's a little bit left in another bag. And then I saved this nice clump to go right in the top. Okay. I'm not going to put any more of the soil on there. I did use the raised bed soil so it wouldn't clump together, so the roots can expand without a problem. Sweetie, I don't need that water like I thought I was going to. This dirt's wet and it's sprinkling the rain. So I'm going to dump the rest of the dirt left over from the roots. And well, I thought it was a strawberry, but dump that extra dirt that was in the other bed on top of them. I'm going to sprinkle a little more of the straw on top of it. And then I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it in its home. And I will give you an update in a few days after it's taken root. And hopefully the deer haven't eaten it.